everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1965 Mercury Comet Caliente convertible killer car, guys. I love this little car. A buddy of mine, Mark, he's actually a Mopar guy out of Ohio. Him and I have, he's found me a bunch of Mopars before, and he called me on this car. Said some guy in his town wanted to sell it, and he didn't know much about him, but he sent me the pictures, and I said, man, I gotta have that thing. Sweet little car. It's finished in, it's got a maroon metallic. It's got the Parchment interior. Great car. Factory C code 289. It was actually a rotisserie restored car about 15 years ago, and it's got 12,000 miles on the resto. Runs and drives excellent. Good, solid, straight body. Slick paint. Couple little touch-up marks as you walk around it. But man, just a super, super nice car, guys. Chrome and stainless is nice. There's just not a whole lot to really pick at on the car. Very well maintained. It's got the Magnum 500s on it. Just a, like I say, just a slick, slick car. Got the dual chrome mirrors. Again, it's got the this is all new too, all new Parchment interior. We took the boot off, but the boot is actually white like the top. I guess they just never really put it on much, but there is a little bit difference in the color. If you look at the top to the interior, that's more of a bright white, where the factory interior was a Parchment. Slick, slick car. Again, another little touch-up mark there. There's one on the other side there. Oh man, just a pretty, pretty car. Nice and straight down the sides. Again, the car really drives out good. Chrome and stainless is nice. It's clean underneath. I love this body style, man. BF Goodrich Radial TAs all the way around it. Those are 14-inch Magnum 500s with the spinner caps. Again, detailed up real nice underneath the hood here. Original C code 289, which would have been a 2-barrel. They've upgraded it, Edelbrock 4-barrel, Edelbrock polished intake. It's got a Mallory Unilite distributor in it. Stock exhaust manifolds, yep, all the doors, yep. Power steering, it's got the factory manual drum brake, stops good. Detailed up really nice underneath the hood. Chrome air cleaner, it's got the Edelbrock valve covers. Original VIN is on your apron here. The door tag's gone. I've tried to order a new one. Not real sure if I'm going to get it. I got little confusing emails, so I'm trying to find out if Marty's actually doing the Mercury door tags anymore. They might only be doing Mustangs. Pretty, pretty little car, man. I love the color. I love the, I mean, this is just a pretty color combination. Again, car hits the road great. Bunch of new stuff coming, guys. Make sure you're watching that website. About 2 more today. So we've got some new stuff coming. Well, that A-pillar chrome is really nice. Again, it's got the dual chrome mirrors. Looks like they've replaced the door handles. All your stainless is nice on the car. Again, the door, there's no door tag. I have tried to order one though. We'll see. And they actually took my money, so we'll see if we get one. Little, let me see, in your door. Little fading on your armrest. Door pads are really nice. I think those are new. I've ordered new floor mats for it. Yes, I order a ton of floor mats. You guys asked me the other day, golly, you're always ordering floor mats. Yes, I like them in cars. Interior is really nice. Dash is nice. 12,989. That's the miles on your resto. You can see your dash pad's nice. We missed a little dust up there, guys. Aftermarket gauges. Fuel gauge works up here. Speedo works up there. Everything else is down there. Blower motor worked. Radio did not work. Power top, and it works. It's got the plastic rear window. We'll show you that. C4 automatic transmission with, it's got the stock rear end with a 280 gear. So definitely something you can get on the expressway with and cruise. There is the photo of this thing on a resto, or on the rotisserie. Hubcaps go with it, car cover goes with it, jack with spare. If we don't pull the, as you can see, it's all spackle coated in the trunk. It's getting warm. Car's nice and clean underneath. Got some good pictures of the bottom for you. Again, really cool body style, something you don't see a lot of. I just think it's just a wicked, wicked cool car. Seats are nice. Dash is nice and clean. See, things starting to fade there. Door rubbers look good. A-pillar is nice. Great sound in 289, guys. Like I say, not a race car, just a real nice driver. Again, fuel gauge works here, speedo works, everything else is down below. You can see it holds good oil pressure. The only thing I couldn't get to work was the radio. Start to put that up, Mike. You don't have to put it all the way up. Again, power top. Top's in great shape. It's got the, keep going a little bit so I can see they can see it. It's got the plastic rear window. That's good, Mike. Yep. Go ahead and put it back down. Function's good. Hit your brake lights. Turn signals. There are no backup lights. Just give it a little rev, Mike. Again, you can see your little interior lights work. Blower motor worked. Again, your gauges down there are all functional. Wipers. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. There is a little bit of a blemish on the top of that quarter, too. I don't know if you can see it, but again, nothing hideous, but let's see if I can sneak over there. You can kind of see it. That's a great car though, man. I love that body style. They're so different.